free. Click the notification bell to make sure that you are aware of all of this lit ass content that I'm bringing to you. All of it. Oh, and I still am the hardest working man in fucking show business. Hello, are you here for the car show? Alrighty, I have more numbers coming, but this is your number. Thank you for coming. Yeah, you can park anywhere. You can actually, since y'all are older, y'all can park in the middle. Is that you comfortable with that one? Yes, sir. All right. Hello.
Hey, what's going on here?
This is the number. You can follow him, park with him. Thank you. Yeah, you can park wherever. I mean, if it's on the side of them or behind them, whichever way you're comfortable, or on the grass. All right. Yes, you can park right there. Yes, you can park right here if you want to. Hello, sir. Hello.
How you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you? I got more numbers coming. They're finishing writing them up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any way you feel comfortable. Any way you feel comfortable. And I got a Subaru sign I'm gonna put on the hood of your on your window. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm about to get my thingy. 13. 1, 2. Get this on camera so I don't forget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have your raffle number coming. My wife them is working on it. I have your raffle number coming. My wife is working on it. Okay, it's 17. That's the last car. Or 18. Yeah, it's 18. There's a car right there. Yeah. Wait. Well, I think it's 17. Okay, she's gonna pass it out, cause. Yeah. Well, no, it is 18, cause that's the next car. I put my thing on. Thank you, babe. All right. How many numbers that is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it should be 18. Yeah. Should be 18. All right, YouTube. That's the first 18. I'll be back when I get some more. Here you go. Here's your number for your raffle. Thank you for coming. Here you go. Here's your number for your raffle. Here you go. Here's your number for your raffle. Since you're a bigger car, I want you to park over there with the trucks.
I got you.
Here you go. There you go. Okay, how many more we need? What this is? 21, 22. Wait. Am I missing anybody? Y'all here for a show? For the car show? Oh, well, yeah, I'm hosting the car show. It's a free event. Free food. I haven't started cooking yet. And I'm doing this for my YouTube channel. I mean, y'all don't have to have a special car, you know, to attend. Hell, you just kick it. You're already at the park, so hell. But if you want to, I can give you a raffle number. I'm having first, second, and third place prizes. First place is a free night in the hotel after September the 25th. Second place is a shirt and shorts because I design clothes. Third place is a hat, a sticker, and $10 off. So you already here. There's your number. See you in a minute. All right, YouTube. I'll be back in a moment. Yo, I'm gonna tell everybody we got a raffle. We got a $2 raffle for $150 in merch. We got a $10 raffle get you, your spouse, or your family member a car tenant. We got a $20 raffle for 2 nights, two free nights. My mind's all over the place. Yeah. Two free nights after October 25th. And we got another $10 raffle that's for, what's it for? I can't remember at this very second, but in about 30 minutes I probably will have it back. But we're gonna do the live drawings at 5 o'clock, from 5 to 6. I don't have a microphone, so you might see me out here dancing or something to, you know, get y'all attention or something. And I have food ready in probably about an hour. Okay. Probably about an hour. Thank you. So you're welcome. You got a donation bucket or something? Yeah, all of that's with the women up there. They got me running. So all of that with the women. Let's see. I might have to put a sign. I can't be there and here at the same time. That's impossible. This ain't running. It's just gonna be old people. They don't have to know. I get you a number. You over here. Hello, how are you? If you don't mind, can you park over there with the other elder? I'm calling them elder cars, and I'm gonna get you your raffle number as soon as I get a chance. It looks like that's a Murphy. A Murphy. Hello, how are you?
You know, David Hudson.
Are these off-road RCs? Cool. I haven't seen many of those like in person. I had a guy in Tennessee that used to build them out of old RC batteries, I think. Yeah, he used to like make them tall and everything. Yeah. Cool. I have to finish cooking. Oh, this is a Plymouth. It's a Plymouth. Cool. Hello, thank you for coming. I'm just vlogging for my my YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
And if you subscribe, or you can just go watch it, either one. Yeah, you can go and see. This is my first car show. Just getting a little content from my YouTube channel.
There you go.
Ooh, we got suicide doors.
Let me get the junk out of the back here and put down the footrest.
And what year is this? A 30?
1930 Packard.
30? Okay.
That car's 38 years older than me. There you go. I got you get ready to run into me.
It's okay. It's okay. This thing is clean, yo. This is clean. This is a nice car. I like all the little accents. I like that. That looks cool. That looks cool. This is my daughter. This is my daughter. All right, YouTube, I will be back. Oh, bless. No stressing. Whether you roll tide, whether you bulldog, whether you wildcat, whether you Georg tiger, let's get it. Shot with me. You can pick any team, you can pick any color, you can pick any size, unisex, kids, more merch on the way. Start the cap, start the support. $75 shoe, $40 hat, buy two, $100 flat. Make sure you hit the like, share, comment, and subscribe button. All of my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube posts.